If you can't already tell on the wall behind me, I am a big James Bond fan. This here, and this here. Today, on August 20th, 2019, Eon Productions announced a new title for Bond 25, and that is No Time to Die. I really like this new James Bond title. It is not like the previous films, Skyfall being the name of a property, and Spectre being the name of the evil organization that is causing havoc throughout the world. My early speculation of the relation of No Time to Die to the movie is that it is a quote either said by James or said by the villain or somebody else. For example, like Die Another Day. Die Another Day was a part of a saying he said towards the villain when he encountered him. Again, I have a feeling that No Time to Die is a quote said by a character in the movie. No Time to Die is a great title for this next Bond movie, and it fits the Bond franchise well. Out of all the Bond films, there are no titles with the word time in it. In terms of the word die, 3 other James Bond films has that word in their title, with Live and Let Die, Tomorrow Never Dies, and Die Another Day. No Time to Die becomes the 4th film in the James Bond franchise to have the word die in it. My last piece of speculation is who will sing the title song for No Time to Die. I heard it somewhere, but I too speculate that Adele might be returning to sing the title song for this movie to close out Daniel Craig's run as James Bond. Although Adele would be great, but one artist I would love to see do this title song for No Time to Die is Beyonce. I would absolutely love to see Beyonce perform the title song for this James Bond film. Alright, that's all for the speculation I have for today's title reveal of Bond 25 being No Time to Die. I'm really hyped for it to come out on April 2020. I am excited for this new James Bond movie and to see how it ends Daniel Craig's story arc. Although, they could still play it off and continue this story arc just with a different actor playing James Bond. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this special video about the announcement of the new James Bond title. Thank you guys for watching.